Hello students, good morning everybody. Today I am taking a class of English class 7. Okay. So I had already explained you the chapter A Working Boy at it. Now the second part of the chapter is word power. Okay. So today we will discuss the second part of the chapter, that is word power. Before starting our class, I would like to ask you one question. If you are coming from the school, आप स्कूल से आ रहे हो and you have seen a giant like a man on the way, so what comes in your mind? What you will think? अगर आप स्कूल से जा रहे हो या स्कूल आ रहे हो और रास्ते में आपको एक जायंट जैसा इंसान दिखता है तो आप क्या सोचेंगे? ठीक है, जायंट मीन्स होता है वेरी बिग, ह्यूज. सो व्हाट यू विल थिंक? दैट मैन इज लाइक अ जायंट. आप लोग क्या सोचोगे? ये मैन जायंट की तरह दिख रहा है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर क्या होगा? आप मैन को कंपेयर कर रहे हो जायंट से. हियर इज अ कंपैरिजन. अंडरस्टैंड? कंपैरिजन मीन्स तुलना. अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी इन द वर्ड पावर figure of speech. What is figure of speech? Figure of speech is a poetic device or a device which is used by the writers or authors or poets to make the rhythm of the lesson or chapter or poem. Okay. So today we will study what is a simile and what is a metaphor. Now before explaining this, I would like to read out all the examples first. As white as snow, as fat as lightning, as sweet as sugar, as easy as child's play, fight like cats and dogs, built like a rock. Okay, now here are some more examples. That child is a busy bee, shampoo snow stuck to her hair. He is the tiger of the fight, she was all sugar. Now listen children, here what we are doing. In both simile and metaphor there is a comparison. Comparison means तुलना. Simile और metaphor में तुलना की जाती है. ठीक है, बट डिफरेंस क्या है? सिमिली में हम as और like वर्ड का यूज करते हैं, बट मेटाफोर में कंपैरिजन तो होता है बट as और like का यूज नहीं होता है. As white as snow. Snow को किससे कंपेयर किया है? व्हाइट कलर से. कंपैरिजन इज देयर बट वी आर यूजिंग द वर्ड as. जहाँ as का यूज है मीन्स वो सिमिली. As fast as lightning. So lightning is compared as it's very fast. So again as is used. As sweet as sugar compared with sugar. As easy as child's play, so compared with child's play. Fight like cats and dogs. How they fight? They fight like cats and dogs. So comparison is there. So like is used. Built like a rock. Like a rock means it is compared with rock. So like is used. So simile is a figure of speech in which there is a comparison and word like as and like are used. सिमिली कंपैरिजन होता है, तुलना होती है और उसमें as और like का यूज किया जाता है. दैट इज अ सिमिली. नाउ व्हाट इज अ मेटाफर? Metaphor is also again a comparison, but there as and like is not used. That child is a busy bee. Child को busy bee से compare किया है पर यहाँ पर as और like का यूज नहीं किया है. अब कहीं भी क्वेश्चन आता है कि सिमिली और मेटाफर बताना है आपको, तो जहाँ पर भी as और like का यूज है दैट इज सिमिली और जहाँ as और like का यूज नहीं है दैट इज मेटाफर. इट इज इजीली can be identified that what is a simile and what is a metaphor. Shampoo snow stuck to her hair, so hair and shampoo. He is the tiger of the fight, so he is compared as a tiger. She was all sugar, so she is compared as sugar. So here also comparison is there, but words like as and like are not used here. So this is the basic difference between a simile and a metaphor. Okay beta, so here are some more examples of simile. As busy as bee, as light as a feather, as blind as a bat, as cool as a cucumber, as tall as a giraffe, as black as coal. ठीक है, all these are examples of simile as word is used here. As these words are make our language more descriptive and enjoyable. सिमिली और मेटाफर से हमारी लैंग्वेज को हम डिस्क्रिप्टिव और इंजॉयबल, इंटरेस्टिंग बनाते हैं रीडर्स के लिए. These are similes. A simile is a figure of speech that compare two different things in an interesting way. दो चीज़ों को compare करता है interesting way में. Okay? That is. Now see some more examples of simile. You were as brave as a lion. They fought like cats and dogs. He is as strong as an ox. Last night I slept like a log. I am so thirsty that my throat is as dry as a bone. All these are examples of simile. As and like word are used. Remember that simile में as और like words का use होता है. Okay. Similes and metaphors are often confused with one another. Metaphor and simile both call attention to how two different things are similar. An example. See one more example. She is as innocent as an angel. तो यहाँ पर as word का use हुआ है, मीन्स ये simile है. शी इज़ एन एंजल, यहाँ पर शी को एंजल से कंपेयर किया है और यहाँ पर एज और लाइक का यूज़ नहीं हुआ है, तो ये मेटाफर है. ऐसे हम पहचान सकते हैं व्हाट इज़ ए मेटाफर एंड व्हाट इज़ अ सिमिली. The main difference between a simile and metaphor is that a simile uses the words like or as. Simile में like और as का use होता है to draw a comparison. जब भी comparison होता है तो as और like का use किया जाता है simile में. And a metaphor simply states the comparison without using as or like. और metaphor में as और like का use नहीं होता है. That is the basic difference. Okay. See some more examples. Life is like a dream. So here like is used, तो हमको समझ में आ जाता है like means it's a simile. Life is a dream, तो ये metaphor हो गया. He is as busy as a bee, तो as use हुआ है means ये simile है. He is a busy bee means यह metaphor है क्योंकि इसमें as और like का use नहीं हुआ है. See some more examples of metaphor. You light up my life. He is the apple of my eye. This is the icing on the cake. Like this, all are the examples of metaphors. So that's all for today. I had explained you about simile and metaphor, and I hope you all understand what is a simile and what is a metaphor. Now try to do the exercise given. Okay, thank you.